Sign up error Instagram. My first thought after I got it was, this really seems like the worst error you can get on the internet. And I just googled this and I got an article from crack.com which basically states that the fifth worst error on the whole planet universe was the full screen of death. I can relate, I remember it. I have a Windows PC and a Mac. I actually got it recently. And then the other ones like the PC loader, I don't know, red light, never got it. Check engine light, I didn't get that one. About to try, no idea what it is. But between you and me, sign up error on Instagram, one of the worst ones. So let's start with this. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, make it from red to gray, and click the bell notifications because subscribe button doesn't do anything. Bell notifications, that's the new subscribe button. And if your Instagram reach is down and you want to get it up and you want to see really valuable Instagram content, subscriber will be the best choice. Make sure you also give this video a like because this really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and I can help you out by shouting you out. If you want your Instagram account to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below what your Instagram username is and what your Instagram account is about so people know when they see it on one of my next videos. And if you want to know if you got shouted out, make sure you stick until the end. As you can see, my Instagram account is so good right now, but if I go ahead and click on create a new account, chances are I might be getting a sign up error. I'm not getting it right now because I actually did the steps prior to creating this video. So how do you fix that? There's a few ways and it works for iOS and Android, it's the same deal. The first way is uninstalling Instagram. It might simply mean something like this and clicking delete app. On Android, it's pretty much the same. You go on settings, apps, and then install it. From there, you can also click clear cache. So you make sure you remove it. You remove any information. And then what you should do after that is just install it again from here. Well, chances are your Instagram app on your phone is outdated or has some weird error for some reason. And this is why you're getting the sign up error. When you uninstall it and install it again, it can help fix that error on its own. If that doesn't work, the only things you can do is basically switching your IP or changing your IP. One of the ways to do that is to actually reset your router, or if you're on mobile net, just click on airplane mode on and then switch it off. That should reset your IP. For Android users, it's the same thing. You have it in settings, switch it on and off and it will work. So this is how you fix it. If you have any issues after watching this video, comment down below and I'll help you out. Now let's go ahead and see who the shoutout winners are. So we've got a bunch of comments, look at that, 2657. Got a lot of spam, so there's a lot of spam accounts right here. No matter if I block them or not, they'll be here. Can you share my page on Instagram? The vocals, amazed. Yeah, I can? Shh, will do. So if you're interested in music, vocals, check this account out. And then we have, wow, a lot of spam. Don't trust any of these guys, by the way. Well, that's interesting. It didn't work for me. Wait, it worked. Thank you. Love them. Another shout out winner. Thanks a lot for your videos. You help me a lot when I use Instagram to engage with other people. Love your content so much. If you have a chance, could you shout out me by FitGirl24? Here we go. Interested in fitness, workout, or fit girls? Check her out. Equals Cash. I gotta shout him out even though he didn't ask for a shout out. He has a great YouTube channel. He manages multiple team pages and he has a lot of value that he's sharing on his YouTube channel and he's pretty experienced. My channel is on Craft Ideas. That's a YouTube channel. I don't know, it doesn't work when I click on it. Okay, then we have Abby Roblox who says, my channel is called Abby Roblox. In my channel post Roblox videos, that's a YouTube channel by the way. Try to make them really good and I work hard on some of my videos. So definitely help a brother out, he's working hard, he needs the exposure. Go and check him, especially if you're bored with the current situation we are in. And then we can finish off with Sashim Sharma who's always watches my videos first. I don't know, did you watch the video first? Comment down below. If you're first comment, you definitely get shouted out. This is it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. And by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. They're both really good. This video or this video. Maybe this video or this video. See you next one.